mermaids, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to try 90s popular hair tool, and when I searched for this on Google, this was the first picture. So I thought, let's buy this hair tool and see whether it worth the hype in 90s or not. So I got it. I ordered this from Amazon. It's very cheap. I'll provide the link of this product in the description box below, and this is not at all a sponsored video. So I haven't opened this box yet because I'm going to try it for the first time as well. So this is the twist secret, and I think this will make rope braid. I don't know, I think so. So yeah, now let's open this. Right. So this is the hair tool. Alright, and there is an instruction. You need battery in this, 2 batteries. Now how to use it? Okay, got it. So let me first put the battery in it. So you need AA battery. Alright, so it has one button, so let me see. Okay. Oh, okay. When you push the button up, only this will rotate, and if you push the button down, the whole this part will rotate. Okay. Alright. Now what? Oh, okay. I have to put my hair in between this. So let me try. I am going to start with my bangs actually. Right, so this is going to be my hair. Let me remove some long hairs. Okay. So let me put this back. Alright. Let's brush it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide my hair in 2 parts like this. Okay. Now I think I have to put my hair like this. Okay, let me see. Nope, not happening. Okay, wait. Let me take very okay, I'm going to take this much hair, and this is my bang again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide it in 2 parts, and now I'll try. Okay. All right. Okay, now we can see. I don't know, it's not rotating my hair. Okay. Nope. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Nope. Let me again try. Wait, let me see the instructions once again. I'm doing the same. Once again. Okay. I have layers on my hair. Okay. Okay. It is tangling my hair. I think I'll go like this. Okay. Now I am going to apply little water. And now I will see. I don't think so it will make any difference, but let me. Okay. Again going to divide my hair into parts. And like this. And like this. Now start. Wait. Okay, it's happening. All right. कुछ तो हो रहा है. All right. Oh, don't. All right. So this is one of the rope braid which is not at all in a good manner, I can say. but yeah, I can use it somewhere. Let me try one more. Now I'm going to take little big section, going to brush it, and now I'll see. Okay, like this. Okay. Oops, it was going well, but एक सेट बाहर ही आ गया. So I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा एंड पे ना लगाऊं मैं बाल. Okay, now let's see. Now I'm going to try one more time, and that's it. Wait. Yep, something is happening. Now, all right. All right. So this is the second rope braid. I think you need little practice for this. Otherwise it will work, but yeah, you need little practice. And if you're doing this on like some other's head or hair, then I think it will be more good. I don't know. So this is the rope braid. I'm going to take little more hair. So, and this time I'm not going to put water. I'm just going to do like this only. No water. So, all right. All right. Let's see. Nope. It is, I think, not for thick hair. Nope, not for thick hair. Oh. For me, this tool is useless. Sorry. It needs practice. And not at all, like I'm not that much satisfied actually. I can do this with my hands as well. So why we need this tool? Okay, I'm going to try it for like just for one more time. Just for one. And then I'll decide whether it's good or not. Oh my god, box. Alright, now you go here. Oh, तुम तो निकल जाओगे. Alright. Okay. Alright, so I am not at all going to recommend this. I am going to give 1 star, or I can also give half a star to this product actually. Not at all good. It's useless and you might need little practice for this, but it's not that easy. So I think if you have little girl or toddler in your house, and you can try, as I said, you can try it on the shorter hair. Might be it work, I don't know. I will put the link in the description. If you wanna buy, or if you wanna see, if you wanna have fun, you can buy this. And yeah, that's it. I don't know what else to say about this product. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I don't know, it's not that fun. I thought it will be. It will create some good braid, but see. So yeah, now I will see you on my next video. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other recommendation about tools, then please let me know in a comment section below. I will definitely try it. And yeah, that's it. Now I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye and keep growing your hair. I've been